What can I get you information on? You guys should have this preloaded in how to start all your conversations. Because as sales reps, as salespeople, as business development, as CEOs, as founders of companies, we all have calls that just go absolutely nowhere quickly, right? How's it going? Going great. How's it going with you? Going great. Man, do you think the Broncos are going to get it together in this draft this year? I don't know, right? That's not what we get paid to do. We don't get paid to chit chat, right? How's it going? Super. What can I get you information on? Right? Hey, Phil, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University, wanted to reach out to you personally. Oh man, thanks Matt, thanks for calling me back. Absolutely, my pleasure. What can I get you information on? Right? It's down to business. It's not how can I help you, and it puts that conversation on rails. And I'm hoping you got some use out of that at the trade show. It's a great one for trade shows. Welcome, what can I get you information on? Right? How's it going? What can I get you information on? Right? This is where you separate your business life from your personal life. You want to chit chat in your personal life all day? Great. In business, even if it's between two coworkers, somebody comes into your office. Hey, Nancy, how's it going? Going great, Matt. Awesome. Cool. What can I get you information on? Hey, we wanted to know if you could modify the TPS report for the board meeting. Awesome. I'll be able to handle that. How about I get it to you by 4:30 today at the latest? Fair enough? Right now, you're boom, 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 down to business. That same conversation with Nancy could have taken 20 minutes if I allowed it to. Not with Nancy because she's super professional. But you know how these things get off rails. Hey, you want to work together? I promise you this, you will get results, but you've got to activate your membership. Once you do, I won't let you fail.